Now, if you haven't heard, baby massage can actually help your baby grow stronger, feel less anxiety, and experience 50% more eye contact, and are actually 3 times more likely to have a positive expression than babies that are not massaged or, regularly gently touched. Now, there are many incredible benefits, including building stronger bonds with your little one that will literally last a lifetime. Regarding products for baby massage, I would highly recommend either using olive oil, which is natural, as well as organic coconut oil. Now, this kind of depends on your preference. Both are excellent natural products that are non-toxic as well as chemical-free for your little one. In addition to helping you and your baby bond, regular massage may soothe and reduce crying, help relieve colic, gas, as well as constipation, increase daily waking, enhance your baby's sleep, relieve nasal congestion, help develop good muscle tone, boost the immune system, improve skin texture, as well as help relax and calm you as well as your baby. Now, simply make baby massage a part of your regular routine. It doesn't actually have to be particularly complicated or fancy. There are a number of techniques you can simply Google, but basically you can start by gently massaging your baby's arms and legs when your child is comfortable, happy, relaxed, and not hungry. You do not want to put a lot of pressure, just gentle touch across your baby's face and chest with oil. That's all you got to do. Once a day, make it part of your routine. After a bath, before bed is pretty much ideal, and honestly, you will see the benefits. I hope this helps. Now, as an extra bonus just for you, I wanted to include just a simple recipe that really helped me with my son whenever he had a little diaper rash. Now, that wasn't very often, but when he did, what worked really beautifully was just adding like a tablespoon of white rice flour to, you're going to add a little bit of water, and you're also going to add a little bit of oil. Now, the consistency is pretty much like a cream. That's kind of how you want. It's going to be a little bit more grainy, but you're going to use that concoction and just, place it directly on your baby's bum, and hopefully by the next morning, it'll help soothe and, reduce any kind of rash. So, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like that little bit.